Let's cook some soup with allo. Chop zucchini, green onions and carrot. Also chop some red onions and garlic. Take tomato, macaroni and vegetable broth. Take some olive oil in a pan, heat it and add garlic. Saute it. Now add red onions and cook till soft. Add all the vegetables. Now add basil leaves, Italian seasoning and parsley according to your taste. Add tomato, macaroni and vegetable broth. You can also take chicken broth or water and adjust the consistency. Let it boil and serve it with garlic bread. Enjoy!